Good evening, South Street School families, and welcome to the 2021-2022 South Street School Open House. In a few moments, you're going to be meeting with your child's teacher to go over some of their expectations for the year, and they're going to be discussing some of the things that children are going to be learning this year in kindergarten, first, and second grade. But before they do, I just wanted to take a moment to welcome everybody and just share with you the great start that we've gotten off to this year and the fun that the children are having in school. It's always nice to see them walking around, making new friends, getting reacquainted with older friends, and just starting to learn their surroundings. I pass them in the hall all the time. I'll get a wave and a smile. Sometimes I'll be asked what my favorite color is, and I think those little things are what makes South Street as special as it is, especially with all our little friends here. So again, I just wanted to welcome everybody. Should you have any questions or concerns throughout the course of the year, please feel free to reach out to me or anyone on the staff, and we'll be happy to help you out any way we can. Again, welcome, and I look forward to seeing everybody real soon. Take care.